Today I wanted to play with making a background without an image or anything, and eventually I hope to turn it into a card. But I'm going to start with Ranger Distress Oxide, Abandoned Coral, and Fossilized Amber. Now, what I'm going to do first is I have a piece of watercolor paper, and I'm going to add the abandoned coral first. I'm going to spritz some water on it. Then I'm going to just place my card down. All around. Okay. Then I'm going to dry it. Okay, I think that's pretty dry. I'm going to wipe this off. And then I'm going to add my fossilized amber, then water, then I'm going to add it to my card. Set it aside and wipe this off. And I'm going to dry it again. I'm not really pleased with these two colors, so I'm going to add, let's add twisted citron. Sorry, having a problem there. Okay. Add water. Then I'm going to take my paper, just add it in sections, not all over, but just to introduce another color. Now I'm going to cut this cardstock down. I think that's enough. I'm going to wipe my paper off, my mat off. Put my board back. And I'm going to dry it. It's not bad, but I would like to introduce a darker color. And I'm going to see pick raspberry. It won't be too dark. So let's see how that one is. Just gonna put a little bit here. It's a little pinkish. So we'll see. I think that will sort of blend in with the other colors I have. Okay, wipe off my mat. And then I'm gonna dry it. Okay, I've seen a lot of people spritz the card after they've done this. I really don't like that, but to each his own for that. It's still a little damp, so I'm gonna let it dry a bit. Now the colors I used were picked raspberry, abandoned coral, fossilized amber, and twisted citron. They don't look too bad, but we're gonna see how to make a card out of this. I'm gonna let this dry just a bit more because it's kind of damp on the ends, and if I cut it now, it will ravel on the side. So I'm gonna let it dry on the side a little bit, and I'll be back.